At first, pour 3 glasses of milk in a pot. It's time to add sugar to the milk. Add 25 grams gelatin powder. Mix it well. Let it boil. While boiling, mix it in order not to boil over. Get a cake mold and pour some of these to it. Then put it in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. Slice some bananas and strawberries like this while you let the milk get chilled. If you want, you can use other fruits too. Put in the refrigerator again for 5 minutes. Put it in the refrigerator 5 more minutes. Put it in the refrigerator 5 more minutes. Then put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour to get chill and thick. While getting cool, get a pot and pour 3 glasses of milk. Add 80 grams of sugar to it. Then 25 grams gelatin powder. Then add 10 grams cocoa powder. Mix it well. Let it boil. While cooking, add 70 grams dark chocolate. Get a bigger cake mold and pour some of it into it. Then put it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes to get thick. The first cake mold is ready. We need to take it off. Pour chocolate liquid to it. Put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. The video is not finished yet. Do not forget to like the video, and if you like to discover a new world in cooking, subscribe our channel. If you want to learn how to bake one of the most delicious bread in the world, watch the next video.